I'm Fish. If you like what you see, smash the like button, subscribe. Test 1, 4K, 30 frames per second, horizon balance. The first 20 seconds, I hear complaints that the camera rotates, pitches, rolls more than 1%. 4K, 24 frames per second, horizon balance, the first 20 seconds, the pitch, the roll, the angle is going to rotate more than 1%. Test 2. Test 3, 4K at 60 frames per second, up to 20 seconds, the same issue is going to occur. Test 1, 2, 3. Did you take note when you're changing settings? Yeah, like 4K 24 to 25 and so on. It flashes, little low light, highlight, low light, highlight. When I get my hand towards the camera with horizon balance, it kind of adjusts, like it wants to adjust automatically. I switched on over to HLG, HDR mode. My own setting. So I'm no longer on HB, I'm on wide and rock steady, 4K, 30 frames per second. If I start to manipulate my custom, it switches to regular video mode. I'm here in HDR, H-log, looking out in wide, and I'm going to switch over back to horizon balance. So here I am in the same shot, holding it the same way, talking. And yeah, I feel a little bit of my body movement into the camera. Is it rolling? Now I'm tilting it towards the 2 o'clock position and then bringing it towards the 10 o'clock position. Is it holding solid horizon balance, level? Yeah, like I said, they're going to be working on the bridges, the pair, and they're going to do a shot eventually and fix it. Yeah, you would think there'd be a sign up saying, yeah, we're constructing the bridge, doing some work. Nah. I put everything into a video of what I hear out there, people's troubles, and I share it. Do I have the troubles that people have? That's the question. I try to look at it. I try to figure out if my camera has it. And let me tell you, I'm happy with what I got. Now, I'm not sure if this shot should be with HDR, but the sun is right up ahead, first trying to come out. So you tell me in this shot, does it look good to you in H-log, HDR? And we're going to switch over to regular video mode and do a shot and compare it to both. I figured I'd do a H-log video bike ride and finish this off. I shared my fun today with you with the DJI Mic 2 as my external audio source right here, and the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, horizon balance, and H-log. You don't like what you see? Head on over to another channel and head on out. If you like, subscribe and share. Smash that like button. I'm Fish, and I'll catch you on other videos to come. Hope you enjoyed what you see. Have a great day.